Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to be making a balsamic vinegar glaze or sauce. It's a super simple recipe. What you'll need is 1 cup of balsamic vinegar, and you could do it just with balsamic, but I'm going to add a little sweetener. I have about a tablespoon of maple syrup. You could use a tablespoon of brown sugar if you prefer. And what I'm going to do is turn the heat up to high and bring this to a boil, and then reduce it to a low simmer for 10-15 minutes. And what we're looking for is for the vinegar to reduce, and I'll check back in a second with you. So after a minute or two, it'll come to a boil, and what you're going to want to do then is reduce your heat down to a low simmering, probably for another 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how your stovetop runs. And I'll be back to show you the reduction. What you're looking for is for the sauce to reduce probably about 1/3 to 1/2, depending on the consistency you want. And also something to keep in mind is that the sauce will continue to thicken as it cools. So now the balsamic has been simmering for about 15 to 20 minutes. It's reduced, I would say, about 1/3. I'm gonna let it take it off of here and let it cool a bit, and I'll show you the final result. Right, so now my sauce has had a chance to cool a little bit, and now you can kind of see it's thickened up